Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on the round motif. What we have to do, we are going to start by make some chain. First of all, we make one slip knot, then change 6. After that, we are going to join the chain with the first one to make a loop. Then we are going to make 8 pop stitch by grab the just take the yarn like that and try to make 3 times because my yarn is like that. If you have another yarn, you can decide you want to grab 3 times or 4 times, then chain 2 and again in the same loop we're going to grab the yarn 3 times. Chain 2 between each pop stitch and we keep continue until we have 8. 1, 2, like this. I will be continue the rest of the row until I have 8 pop stitch and I'll be back. Now I have 8 pop stitch. I'm going to chain 2 and join together. This is the end of row 1. Now I'm coming in this space between 2 and make a slip stitch like that. For row 2 we are going to do the same pattern, I mean the pop stitch, by make 3 times. Grab the yarn 3 times, make together, chain 3, and then in the same space we're going to make one more pop stitch like that, then chain 2 between these two. When it comes to the next space here, we make again 2 pop stitch by grab the yarn 3 times, chain 3, and then in the same space make one more like that. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row by make 2 pop stitch in each space between the previous pop stitch. In total we are going to have 16 pop stitch. As you can see here, I already finished the row. Your pattern should look like that. Now it's time to join these two together, because for this row we are going to make some chain. Always we are going to chain 2, then insert, or maybe chain 1, grab the yarn, insert the hook in this one, and then just take all together. For row 3 we are going to start by chain 5 and make a single crochet here, again chain 5 and make single crochet in the next chain between each loops like that. We keep continue by chain 5, 1 single crochet, chain 5 and 1 single crochet like this. We keep continue until the end of the row and I'll be back. As you can see here, I finished the row. The pattern should look like that. For the pattern like this, if you want to make chain, always before you join the last one, if you want to keep continue with one more row, you have to chain 2, grab the yarn, insert the hook here and make a half double crochet like that. This one considered as a 5 chain, and then again start by chain 5 and make 1 single crochet in the next chain and repeat chain 5 single crochet. If you repeat this chain 5 single crochet, you are going to have one more row of chain around the motif like that. If you want to stop and finish the work, maybe I finish this row and I'll be back to show you how to finish the row. Now I just needed one more row. The pattern now looks like that. If I want to finish the work, I'm going to chain 5, make 1 single crochet. Now we have to make one more. We make 5 chain and insert my hook here in the beginning of the previous row and make a 1 slip stitch here like that, and then cut the yarn and the board is going to be finished. But it's really up to you, because you decide which size of motif you need. If you need to have a bigger one, you can keep continue to make one more row of chain, or if you need a smaller, as you can see here, I used another yarn and the size is totally different from here. This is the front side and back side, and that's all. This is the way we are going to make round motif. I hope you enjoy. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.